Sally declared and initialized several variables in the JS header. These variables referred to objects on the form. Which one of the following describes what happened when the code was tested? Option A. Initialization was successful and the variables were available throughout the document. Option B. Initialization failed, since all JavaScript variables in Notes/Domino must be initialized within the object. Option C. Initialization was successful, but the variables were available only to objects also declared in the JS header. Option D. Initialization failed, since the JS header is interpreted before the HTML which creates the rest of the objects. The correct answer is option D. Which one of the following HTML tags is used to identify JavaScript? Option A. JS header. Option B. JavaScript /JavaScript. Option C. Head language equals JavaScript /head. Option D. Script language equals JavaScript /script. The correct answer is option D. Locke wants to add some JavaScript to the HTML head content section of a form. How can he do this? Option A. Write the JavaScript directly in the HTML head content section. Option B. Write a formula language block of code that will output the proper JavaScript. Option C. Add a JavaScript script library as a resource to the HTML head content section. Option D. Write some Lotus script that will output the proper JavaScript using print statements. The correct answer is option B. A Domino form contains one Java applet with the following source code: import Lotus.Domino, public class dummy extends applet base. The applet is set to use Notes Chorba classes, and the server is properly set up to allow access using Chorba. If the following JavaScript code is run on the form as it is accessed by the web var session equals window.document.applets0. Open session alert, session.getPlatform, what will be the output? Option A. The operating system platform. Option B. The type of browser that the user is using. Option C. An error will occur because this only works on the Notes client, not in a browser. Option D. An error will occur because the Java applet does not have an open session method. The correct answer is option A.